Filters carry out the essential task of withholding impurities, offering different kinds of protection for the health of the vehicle's passengers, engine and the surrounding environment. The cabin air filter offers active protection from pollen, particulates and other pollutants that enter the vehicle through the heating or air conditioning systems. The fuel filter removes impurities from the fuel to improve its quality and ensure performance. The air filter protects the engine from airborne dust, guaranteeing top performance. The oil filter continuously purifies the engine's oil, removing particles and combustion residue. The particulate filter is integrated in the exhaust system of diesel engines, and by removing particulate, it controls polluting emissions. Filters must be replaced regularly. When the time comes, you can contact your dealership or trusted authorized workshop. You are guaranteed help from qualified technicians and the use of original spare parts. The efficiency of filtering systems increases the lifespan of your vehicle and your health on board.